What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. For the lion.
Pub in like by the Minion.
Yeah.
Holy shit, bro! They got scotch and everything.
Yeah, this is a low light camera, so it picks up everything.
Put my hat back. Are we going fast like that or not?
That's why I don't want to scare Maeve right away. Like,
Can't do fuck you guys this first ride of the day.
Yeah, can't do her dirty first ride. You haven't been on this one?
Grad night, bro.
Yeah, long
Grad
time.
night. But dude, grad night was fucking 13 years ago. They would have died.
Hell no. Survive!
That was lit as well.
Juicy shit.
It's like little squiggles.
Who are these meatheads? Bro, we look all buff.